Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to forward stickers from a group chat on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, Instagram has made sharing stickers more convenient than ever. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, look for the messages icon on the left menu. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are located. Click on it to access your conversations. Now, find and open the group chat that contains the sticker you want to forward. Simply scroll through your messages until you locate the group conversation. Click on it to enter the chat. Once you're in the group chat, it's time to find the sticker message you wish to forward. Scroll through the messages until you see the sticker. When you find it, hover over the message. This will reveal some options. Click on the three dots next to the sticker message. This icon usually appears at the top right corner of the message bubble. A small menu will pop up with various options. From this menu, click on Forward. This action will allow you to select who you want to send the sticker to. You can choose one or multiple recipients from your list of contacts. Finally, once you've selected your recipients, click on Send. The sticker will be forwarded instantly, and your friends will receive it in their direct messages. And there you have it. Forwarding stickers from a group chat on Instagram using your PC is simple and quick with these steps. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Instagram experience.